If you ever need to save an important conversation, back up your messages, or keep a copy of shared media, knowing how to export chat history on Telegram is incredibly useful. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to export a Telegram chat history on desktop, including how to choose the media types you want, pick the export format, and save everything to the right folder. This is a great method if you want to archive a personal chat, keep business records, or simply make sure nothing important gets lost. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram and go to the chat that you want to export. You can choose any one-on-one chat or group chat, depending on what you need to back up. Once you're inside the conversation, look at the top right corner of the chat window and click the three dot icon. This opens the menu with additional options for that chat. From the menu, click Export Chat History. Telegram will now open the export settings window where you can control exactly what gets included in your backup. At this stage, take your time and review the available options carefully. You'll see choices for the different types of media you want to export, such as photos, videos, voice messages, stickers, files, and more. If you only want text messages, you can leave the media options unchecked. If you want a full backup of the conversation, select the media types you want to include so the exported folder contains everything you need. Next, choose the format you want for the export. Telegram typically gives you format options based on how you want to view the data later, so pick the one that best fits your use case. Then select the destination path, which is simply the folder on your computer where Telegram will save the exported files. Make sure you choose a location that is easy to find, like your desktop or documents folder, especially if you plan to access the files later. After that, double-check your selections one more time. This is the best moment to confirm that the right media types are selected and that the save location is correct, because once the export starts, Telegram will generate the backup based on those choices. When everything looks good, click Export. Telegram will begin processing the chat history and saving the files to your selected folder. Depending on the size of the conversation and how much media is included, this may take a little time, so just let it finish. Once the export is complete, open the folder you selected and you'll see your saved Telegram chat history ready to use. And that's it, you've successfully exported your Telegram chat history. Whether you're making a backup, saving memories, or storing important information, this is a fast and reliable way to keep a copy of your conversations. If this video helped you, please remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.